I have an amazing piece of equipment to show you today. Welcome back to another video and welcome if you are new here. My name is Basia and on this channel we talk all things metalsmithing, silversmithing and jewelry making. So guys, staying healthy while working with metals is crucial and I've been often asked what I use for ventilation and dust in my small workshop space. And for a long time I haven't used anything in particular apart from open windows. Then I got myself this little ventilator for absorbing the fumes. And today, thanks to Gasvine, I'm finally able to show you a proper piece of equipment, a bench vacuum that is meant to remove air contaminants while we work. The bench vac arrived in a cardboard box, safely protected inside. Apart from instructions, there are three main pieces, including a fish mouth suction hood, a flexible hose, and of course the main part, which is the vacuum itself. It's not very heavy, but be careful while unboxing and make sure you have a good grip when removing the vacuum from the box. As you can see, it's quite compact, as it's meant to fit under your bench and out of the way. Let's set it up and plug it in. It has a US standard plug and it's 110 volts, so if you're in Europe, for example, like I am, you may need a voltage converter to use it safely. I have a converter like this for my other tools, which makes things much easier. Setting up the vac is very easy and straightforward. You simply attach the hose to the vacuum and to the suction hood, and that's it. Inside, there's a disposable bag filter for particulates, which you can send to your refiner, and there's an activated charcoal filter for odor. Turn it on with a switch and you're good to go. In my opinion, the noise isn't too overwhelming. I would personally turn it on while working with fumes and dust and then turn it off. Let's do some tests now, shall we? I want to show you how well the suction hood deals with the fumes and smoke. Here I am heating up a solder paste and you can see how well it's being sucked in even from a distance. Of course, this doesn't mean I wouldn't wear my mask, but this ventilation system will get rid of the fumes that otherwise may linger in your room, and this way it'll keep your space healthier. You can use it while soldering, filing and grinding to remove fumes, smoke, dust and particles. I hope you enjoyed this video. Ask your questions in the comments below and see you in the next one. Bye!